Hello, Uptown Swing. My name is Val. Solo jazz. So for improvisation today, we worked on this idea of taking two steps and squishing them into 1/8. We needed to make this intentional so it fits into 1/8 and you can repeat it and people recognize what you're trying to do. For example, we have follow the log. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Follow the log on boogie drop. Or 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Follow the log and like half of a box step. You could also change timing of a box step, make it like quicker, for example. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To fit the whole box step in and change the timing. And then we essentially just chose two moves and combined them together, and there were a lot of different ideas. Pay attention to your transitions. Sometimes it's a replace, sometimes it's a tap and something else. Sometimes you just step into that step. So pay attention to that. And it was great. There were so many options, so many cool combos. Bye.